Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome Today in this daily newspaper of Wednesday, January the 20th, 2021. We have here three regular Sudokus. One of them I have solved. The second one I will continue. And this one is a Sudoku, a medium. Alright. Let me focus this, and this will be number 2192. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. The printed digits, 28. I've already counted. You can check if I'm right or wrong. 28, so it must be easier than the one-star Sudoku. The one-star Sudoku has 27. This one has 28, but you cannot tell because sometimes you have pairs, a lot of pairs, and even if this number is higher, it could be that the puzzle will be difficult because there are more pairs. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. A lot of 8s. And can I do something with the 7, 3? Yeah, let me start with the 8s. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And we see a pair. 7 and a 6 in the first row, 7 and a 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 and 6 should be here. We see here the 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Then, let me see. 6 in this column. 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6, we see there 6, so no 6s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1, number 6. Let me see. How about the number 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. Well, 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 5, alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3, should be there. These 2 numbers are reserved for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7 in this big square. 2 and 7 are missing. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then how about 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. Yeah. How about 2 numbers left in the second row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9. And look, we have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2, 3, 9. Alright. How about these 2 numbers in this column? Those numbers are the 1 and the 3 are missing. 1 and a 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes and there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so column be 3 in the middle column. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left. Those 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 2 in this big square. Let me mark those 2 numbers because I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 number left in the first row for the number 2. These 2 numbers, the 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Let me mark those numbers. Okay, 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 9 and 4. 9 and 4 are missing. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and an 8 goes there. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here or there. You see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Alright. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. And then 4. 3, 3, 3, 3. These two numbers in this column should be for the numbers 3 and 2 are missing. 3 and a 2 are missing in the second column. 3 and a 2, we see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So in the last row, only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 4. One number left in the last column for the number 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 4. One number left in this column. The first column for the number 7. Yes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 7 and 1. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. This should be the 2. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. All right. I like this Sudoku Medium. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the third regular Sudoku. It will be a killer Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.